Hi, welcome to Astram. Today we are at Kottapet branch and let's have a look at some of our latest collection of stylish cord sets. So the first set we have here is a beautiful shade of bright fuchsia pink with embroidery at the neckline. You can see the beautiful combination of white and cream embroidery with sequin works as well. The top comes with 2 layers towards the end and the bottom comes in a straight pattern with again layers towards the end. We have embroidery at the sleeves as well in 3/4 length in beautiful floral detailing. The next one we have here is a beautiful and stylish color combination of beautiful shades of green in abstract printed pattern throughout the body. Towards the top portion you can see these beautiful beads and sequin work done in very color combination of greens, whites and yellows. It's a very stylish cord set. If you are looking to upgrade your wardrobe with these stylish options, this one is for you. You can even wear it for your colleges or casual outings. This is going to be a perfect choice. So the next one we have here is a beautiful shade of teal blue in georgette fabric. At the top portion you can see the silver thread embroidery with white beads in a beautiful floral pattern at the sleeves as well. And the sleeve comes in 3/4 length. The top also has 2 flares and the soft lining. The pan comes in very beautiful flared. This is a perfect choice for your stylish and comfort options. You can even wear it for your casual outings or college wear as well. This is going to be a perfect choice since it's very stylish and also comfortable. The fit of the cord set is also very pretty and very comfortable. Here we have another pretty peach shade in soft linen cotton fabric. Towards the sleeves as well as the top portion you can see the beautiful floral print done in very beautiful shades of pinks. At the top also we have this highlighted beads embroidery done and mirror work done. Coming to the collar, we have highlighted it with double tone and dual collar. The top and the bottom comes in a little contrast with the shade. This is a perfect choice for your casual outings and events. It's going to be very stylish, also gives you a good comfort. The next one we have here is a very elegant and simple cord set. Throughout the body you can see it's in navy blue shade and highlighted with the very beautiful kardana work in golden shade. At the sleeves as well as the top portion you can see the beautiful kardana work done in golden contrast with beads as well as sequins. The neckline comes with the collar and at the bottom of the top you can see the slits also given for a easy breezy comfort. The bottom of the cord set comes with a unique pattern. This fit is a perfect choice for your college wear or daily wear outings. It's very stylish and comfortable and can be easily worn and carried. Here we have another beautiful shade of mustard yellow cord set. Throughout the body you can see it's a very solid pattern. Coming to the neckline you can see the beautiful contrast of sequins and pearls done in very beautiful shades of silver and white contrast. At the top portion we also have pleats given and highlighted. The top comes with a front open pattern with button detailing. Coming to the sleeves, we have a very beautiful detailing of tassels as well as tie here in contrast. The bottom also comes with a straight pattern which is a very relaxed fit. This whole set is a very beautiful combination and can be used for a daily wear as well as casual outings. It's a very stylish and very simple option. Next we have a stunning shade of purple in solid shade throughout the body with golden contrast embroidery detailing of florals. This is a front open cord set with button detailing and at the sleeves also we have elastic highlighted. You can adjust it accordingly. This comes in soft silk fabric so it's very lightweight, comfortable and you can wear it for your daily wear as well. It's a perfect choice for your outings. It's very comfortable and lightweight, also breathable. It's a very beautiful shade of purple and comes in very beautiful contrast detailing. It will be a lovely choice for you. Here we have another beautiful and simple cord set in very soft pinks combination. Throughout the top portion you can see the pleats given in the front from top to bottom and towards the end we have this beautiful kardana work and thread work done in a beautiful contrast of purple and silver combination with florals. The sleeves also comes in 3/4 length. The fabric is in crushed georgette fabric which gives it a texture as well. The bottom comes with a straight cut pattern with very comfortable manner. Towards the bottom we have the beads work done again. This is a perfect choice for your outings as well as casual events. It's a very comfortable and stylish option for you. Now you have explored some of our latest collection of stylish cord sets and if you want to explore more of these collections, do visit our stores. Our stores are located at Gachibowli, Kottapet and Vanasthalipuram. Thank you for watching.